Okay, let's just jump right in. We're here to talk about a shift that's so massive, it's basically rewriting the rulebook for how our entire digital world gets built. We're talking about the end of code as we know it.
And look, that's not some far-off sci-fi prediction. That's a direct quote from the CEO of Anthropic, one of the biggest names in AI. 90%. That's not a small change, it's a tidal wave, and it's happening right now.
So here's the bottom line. That classic image of a programmer, hunched over a keyboard, typing out line after line of code, that's quickly becoming a thing of the past. The core skill that has defined software engineering for a generation is being automated away. Which, of course, brings us to the elephant in the room. The question that probably brought you here in the first place. If AI is writing all the code, what on earth happens to the millions of people whose entire job is to do just that? To really get where we're going, we first have to take a quick look back at where we've been. Let's call it the old world, a time that, until very recently, was just normal.
For decades, the model was pretty straightforward. If a company needed software, they hired people who were experts in languages like Python or Java to build it. This led to huge engineering teams and fueled this massive multi-billion-dollar IT outsourcing industry, all built on the simple idea that you could get humans to write code cheaper in other parts of the world. Well, that whole model is starting to crumble. Welcome to the new reality, where AI isn't just a tool that helps the coder, the AI is the coder.
Now, this is the part that's kind of hard to wrap your head around. The scale of this change is just staggering. AI agents that are out there right now, today, can write code at the quality of a pretty good mid-level engineer. The only difference? They do it 100 times faster. I mean, that's not just an improvement. That's a whole new ballgame.
And this really shows you how deep the change goes. The way we talk to computers is completely flipping on its head. The new programming language for humans is, well, it's just English. We describe what we want in plain language, and the AI builds it. The actual code running in the background, it might as well be gibberish to us. It's not written for humans anymore. It's hyper-optimized for the machine to run as efficiently as possible.
And this isn't just theory, We're already seeing the real-world impact. Take the IT outsourcing industry in India, which has been a global hub for this kind of work. The placement rate for their engineering grads has already taken a nosedive. Why? Because those entry-level and mid-level coding jobs are the exact ones that AI can now do faster and cheaper.
And hey, it's not just outsourcing. We're hearing this from the very top of the tech world. Mark Zuckerberg has flat out said that he thinks the role of a mid-level engineer will basically disappear in a few years. All that work, it's going to be done by AI. The only humans left in that loop will be senior engineers, and their job will be to manage the AI agents.
So, if all these old roles are fading away, what's next? This is where it actually starts to get really exciting. We're seeing this brand new role emerge, something that's perfectly built for this new world, the AI generalist. So what exactly is an AI generalist? Well, forget about being a specialist in one coding language. An AI generalist is defined by their ability to solve any problem that comes their way. Their skill isn't in writing the perfect line of code. It's in knowing exactly which AI tool to use, how to talk to it, and how to manage a whole team of AIs to get a project done. The focus totally shifts from narrow specialization to broad, creative problem solving.
And this new approach has led to this kind of funny, but perfectly descriptive term, vibe coding. It's this idea that you can build real software based on a feeling, a concept, a vibe. Suddenly, your business instincts and your vision for a product are way more important than whether you know the perfect syntax.
And just look at how this changes the whole workflow. A product manager has an idea. They just describe it in English to an AI. The AI does all the heavy lifting, writes all the code, and bam, a working product gets shipped. This is a game changer. It totally redefines who gets to be a creator, who gets to be a builder.
Okay, so this is the new world order. The million-dollar question is, how do you not just survive this thing, but actually thrive in it? Let's walk through a pretty clear roadmap for what you can do.
So here's one way to think about it. It all starts at level 0. Just play around. Explore all the AI tools out there to even see what's possible. Then you move up to understanding the basics and getting really, really good at prompting. From there, you expand beyond just text and start working with image, video, and audio models. Then you start actually building things before finally reaching the top level, mastering the art of building and deploying your own AI agents to automate whatever you need. So when you boil it all down, what's the one thing that humans still have that the machines don't? It's original thinking. See, AI is amazing at executing tasks. It can follow patterns, it can build things based on all the data it's been trained on.
but it can't have a truly new idea. The people who can dream up something genuinely different, something the AI has never seen before, they're going to be more valuable than ever.
Which kind of leaves us with this one last big thought to chew on. As the machines increasingly take over the how, our greatest value as humans is going to come from defining the what and the why. So maybe, just maybe, in this new future, the most valuable skill we can possibly have isn't about knowing all the answers, but having the vision and the creativity to ask all the right questions.